Internet and its applications. Let's learn about Introduction to Internet, search engines, getting on the text, email, electronic mail, uses of Internet, Internet chat session, web browser, security from Internet viruses. Introduction to Internet. The Internet is a massive body of networks or a networking infrastructure. Internet is a collection of millions of computers and computing devices that are all connected using wire and wireless technologies with different topologies, like star, bus, and ring or mesh. Internet basically operates on TCP or IP protocol. The Internet is a huge ocean of information, of resources and services. With the help of Internet, a user can view results of examination, access bank account, view news, sports, etc. FTP allows the user to download or upload files across multiple sites. Various web browsers provides facilities to search on a specific topic, have email account, logs, etc. Internet security can be provided by firewall and antivirus software. We have seen that the Internet is useful in many ways. Let us see what do we need to get an Internet connection. Computer, modem, web browser, telephone line, Internet service provider. Getting on the text. At first, we have to connect our computer to the Internet using our account and telephone line. This process is called logging on. When we get an account, we get a name called a username and password, which is personal to us. We use this when we connect to the Internet. The net icon is located in dial-up networking in my computer. When we click it, we see a pop-up window where we write our username and password to connect. The net icon is called Internet Explorer. Once we are connected to net, we see two computers flashing icons at the bottom of the windows. Now we can start working on net. The location or pages where the information is saved on net are called web pages or websites. The main page of a website is called home page. There are uncountable websites on the net. Uses of Internet. Internet has become a part of our everyday life, from being used in defense purpose by the United States military for communication initially to being used worldwide for hundreds of thousands of different purposes of our everyday life now. There are millions of applications of Internet, and we are in fact as dependent on Internet as we are on other utility things like electricity, water, etc. Before a few years, people used to get up in the morning and read the newspaper or watch television. Now, most people log on to the Internet first in the morning, hence Internet has become an essential part of our daily life. These are major uses of the Internet: online shopping, net banking, communication, job search, hobbies, research, studying, file downloading and uploading, video conferencing, email. Web browser. It is an application that runs at user end and facilitates to access many Internet resources like email, search engine, train or air reservation, examination results, net banking, online shopping, etc. Using URL, the corresponding website is found. Web browsers operate using HTTP protocol. Browsers support text, audio, video, animation, etc. features for displaying web pages. Various types of web browsers are Microsoft Internet Explorer, Netscape Navigator, Mozilla Firefox, Safari, Opera, Lynx, etc. With the help of web browsers, a user can access search engines and access emails and use all the facilities of Internet. FTP, File Transfer Protocol. It is a standard network protocol used to exchange and manipulate files over the Internet. FTP represents the network functionality that enables user to upload web pages files like simple text files, images, multimedia files, etc. TCP or IP, Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. TCP or IP is the communication protocol for the Internet. It defines the rule which computers must follow to communicate with each other over the Internet. HTTP, Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP is used by the World Wide Web. HTTP defines how messages are transmitted and what actions web servers and browsers should take in response to various commands. www, World Wide Web. www is commonly known as web. It is a way of accessing information over the medium of the internet. Domain name. Domain name is a specific name used in URLs to identify a particular web page. It is the name that identifies one or more IP address. Search engines. Search engines provide the facility to search on any topic across many sites in various formats. Programs called spiders scan web periodically and maintain the latest updates in search engines. Search engine operates on the architecture of search query techniques. Various types of search engines are Google, MSN, Yahoo, DirectHit, Excite, Hotbot, Lycos, Northern Light, SearchKing, WebCrawler, Yelp, etc. Each search engine is application specific and Google search is generally used. Google search engine. Images, video, maps, news, translate, Gmail, etc. are components of Google search engine. Email. Electronic mail. Email works on Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, SMTP. Using email, we can send text, audio, and video files to one person or a group of persons. Free email account can be created in Google, Yahoo, Hotmail, Netscape, Lycos, etc. The following shows the sequence of steps to create an email account in Gmail, which is a part of Google.com. To create an email account in Yahoo site, Hotmail site or any other site, same sequence of steps can be followed. Steps to create email account in Gmail. In Internet Explorer or any other web browser, type www.google.co.in and at top right corner, click on Sign In option. Click on Create an Account option and fill your personal details as shown. Here, first name is Arav, last name is Bansal, desired username is Arav Bansal 1010 and password given by the user is kept confidential. Security questions can be entered as given by Gmail or the user can have his or her own question and answer should be given in the below answer option. After reading terms and conditions, finally user has to click on I accept create my account option and his or her email account is created. The various components of email are explained below. Inbox consists of new mails which are not seen and old seen mails in a page. Inbox is located on left column of Gmail. Once the user clicks on the new mail received, it opens up in front of the user. Compose mail, meant of composing a mail to a person or group of persons. Sent mail gives a list of messages sent by the user. Trash consists of list of mails deleted. Contacts helps the user to add usernames and their email addresses, postal addresses, phone numbers of their friends, family members, etc. Spam mail. Spam mails are unsolicited junk emails sent by commercial companies for advertising or by any unknown person sending emails through known email address. Spam decreases email traffic due to the capacity of unnecessary email flooding. Few spam mails can be detected and for bulky of spam mails it is more difficult to detect who actually is sending the spam. Websites provide spam filters to restrict unnecessary emails to your system. Internet chat session. Chat is meant for live discussion using text and multimedia features. On the left bottom of the window, click on Chat option and user email identity with whom you want to chat. Confirmation comes from the recipient and the chat becomes a two-way process. Internet chat provides a facility to have live chat between many persons or group of persons. It is a multi-way chat technique. Internet Relay Chat (IRC) provides the facility of internet chat. Each chat group has a separate channel maintained by IRC architecture. It is normally not meant for one-to-one chat. Voice chat. In an instant message, we can send message But in voice chat, we can have live audio communication between two persons or group of persons using the features of IP telephone and VoIP, voice over IP. Many messengers tools support the features of voice chat also. Blog. A blog is a type of internet website usually maintained by an individual or a small company with frequent entries to descriptions of their interest, events, news, games, movies, or to any person sharing his or her views. Materials such as text, graphics, audio, and video can also be shared using blog. Blog is normally a one-way communication where user gives his ideas or comments on that blog site. There are various types of blogs like science blog, social blog, movie blog, political blog, news channel blog, etc. Security from internet viruses. Computer viruses provide major threat to the system and hamper users' work. Memory and data get lost and corrupted. Virus slows down CPU and I/O performance. Virus attacks systems data from internet or portable devices like pen drive, CD or DVD drive, etc. The solution for viruses is to have full updated antivirus software. Cookies are bits of a data put on a disk when someone visits website. Cookies keep track of user login and password and list of files opened by the user. Hackers can access the cookies and trace personal details about the person.